I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube videos using artificial intelligence. And I've promised you I've never seen this method before. This is going to make it so much easier and efficient to create YouTube videos that are faceless, that are made by artificial intelligence, but more importantly, that get people to actually watch your videos so you can make money. I'm going to show you every single step of the process, and more importantly, how a complete beginner can start a YouTube channel that's completely faceless and leveraging the power of AI and artificial intelligence. Now, as a quick example of how much you can make with a faceless AI YouTube channel, check out this travel channel called Tourtopia. Now, as you can see, one of these videos got 23 million views. So how much can you actually make based on your YouTube channel? Now, if we go to Google and say, hey, how much can we make per 1,000 views on YouTube? You can see at least between $2 and $12 per 1,000 views. So if we take the low end of that, let's just say $4, and let's just see how much they made on 23 million views. So I did 23 million into 1,000. That gives me 23,000 times $4. That's a total of $92,000 they made with one faceless AI YouTube video. Now, the cool thing is you don't even have to rely on YouTube ad revenue to make your money. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the best way you can use your YouTube AI channel to make money besides relying on YouTube ad revenue. So before I show you this super simple process to create these YouTube AI videos, I first want to address what is a faceless AI YouTube channel. So essentially what it is, it's going to be a channel where it's completely faceless. You have no idea who's the owner of this channel. So for example, my channel, you can tell this is me, I'm Jonathan Montoya, and this is, what I teach. Now, something like a faceless channel, you have no idea what they're teaching. But the thing with the faceless channel is they have a specific niche that they're talking about, right? So in this example, they're talking about money, right? You can see it's called Mr. Luxury, and they're basically just talking about, luxury items, best mansions in the world, how to become a millionaire, best Airbnbs. But the cool thing about a faceless AI channel is you can use artificial intelligence to 100% create all of these videos for you, okay? Now, as another example here's again, Tourtopia. But what I want you to understand is all of these channels have a specific niche, right? This is a channel based on the travel niche, right? So these videos are talking about the best places to visit, right? Best places in the USA, best places in Europe, best places in Italy, America, right? So that's the thing I need you to understand is not only they're a faceless AI channel, but all of these channels have a specific niche, right? And I want to show you one more example here. This is a niche talking about animals, right? So if you want to be successful with your faceless AI YouTube channel, you have to pick a niche. But to answer the question, what is a faceless AI channel? It's essentially just a channel that's made with 100% artificial intelligence. The voiceover, the videos, the B-roll, everything is completely made using artificial intelligence. All right, so step number one when you're creating your faceless AI YouTube channel is you have to pick a niche. As I showed you in those example YouTube channels, all of those channels were very specific, right? Whether it was a travel channel, an animal, a luxury type, you have to pick a niche that's going to get you views and that's very popular. Now, real quick, I want to give you a quick list of faceless AI YouTube channels that are super popular that you can get started today. So number one is the make money online niche. Number two is the health and wellness niche. Number three, the natural remedies list. Number four, personal finance. Number five, luxury, like I showed you before. Number six, travel ideas or travel locations. Number seven, animal videos. Number eight, celebrity and gossip, and so many more niches that you can get into. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a list of the top 40 niches for your faceless AI YouTube channel. I'm going to leave that list down in the YouTube description. That way you can choose one of those super popular niches, for your channel. All right, so step number 2 is to script out your Faceless AI YouTube video. Now, what I'm about to show you is gonna blow your mind. There's a software that allows you to model the top YouTube channels in your niche, and it's gonna give you an entire script based on that popular YouTube channel. So this is an absolute game changer, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this. So I'm gonna be showing you how to use the tool called TubeMagic, where it's not only going to give you all the ideas you need for your channel, it's going to script the entire thing, and it's going to show you how to upload and optimize, which I'll show you throughout this tutorial. But I'll leave a link to TubeMagic down in the YouTube description. It'll be the first link down below, and you can try this out for free. That way you can see how powerful this is. Now, what I'm going to be showing you as an example using the TubeMagic software is how to model this channel here. Now, this is a channel on travel, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this channel here, and at the top of this URL, as you can see right here, I'm gonna copy this part, just the channel name, okay? So Tourtopia, it's gonna be at Tourtopia, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to TubeMagic, and we're gonna click on video ideas. Now, check this out. All you have to do is paste this in and hit generate, and it's literally gonna give you an entire script for this video, okay? All you have to do is hit generate script here, and as you can see, it's gonna give you an entire script. It gives you a general script, a short video if you wanna do that, but what I'm gonna show you is how to do long form content, because that's gonna give you more YouTube monetization, okay? Now, one thing I do wanna show you here is how long should this actually be? And you can see it says 800 words, or you can make this longer if you'd like. Now, you can click on this little information button here, and you can see 800 words is about 5 minutes, 1500 words is about 10 minutes, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually make this 1500 words. That way it's at least a 10-minute video, and I'm going to hit generate. And as you can see, it's going to generate an entire script for this video. Now, the cool thing is it took and modeled from this already popular channel right here, which is extremely powerful, okay? So what I would do next is go to the top travel YouTube channels that are similar, and TubeMagic is going to do literally the magic and the scripting for you, okay? So that's the goal here, is you want to create that script, and again, TubeMagic is going to do that for you. And as you can see, it's writing the entire script, it's doing the transition slides, everything, okay? So now I'm super excited about using this feature where it literally writes the entire script for you, because before you had to go to Fiverr or Upwork or find some freelancer to write these scripts for you. And to find a really good script writer, you were paying $100, $200 per script. That's not even including creating the videos. So this is gonna save you not only a ton of time, but a ton of money as well. So super excited. Definitely use this to write as many scripts as possible for your YouTube channel. Now, before we move on, I do want to show you one last thing on how you can generate a script. And this is actually really cool. So if you go to the tools area, you scroll down and you click on video scripts, you can actually write a script from regular keywords that you want. So as an example, if we're taking the travel niche, we can go ahead and type something in such as top 10 places to travel in Arizona. And I'm just gonna do 800 just for the purposes of this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate, and it's gonna give you an entire script based on what you told it to write. So you can obviously go and model the top YouTube channels that you want to model, or you can just say, hey, I want to do the top 10 places for Arizona, or if you're in the health and fitness, top 10 keto recipes, right? So this is very powerful, guys, because I mean, I'm telling you, you would have to spend hundreds of dollars writing these scripts, and you have this almost instantly using this TubeMagic software. So as you can see, it gives you the entire script, A to Z, key point number 1, 2, 3, everything that you told it, and this is all accurate and real and true information. So once you have these scripts, I mean, you have an entire unlimited vault of scripts the next step is to create the actual video. All right, so in step number 3, we're gonna begin the video making process. But step number 3 is all about creating the voiceover for your AI faceless YouTube video. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this completely using artificial intelligence and without having to hire a voice actor or a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork. Now there are several tools that allow you to paste a script and it's gonna give you an entire voiceover for your video. The first one is 11labs.io. You can literally paste your script in here and it's gonna give you multiple voices. Now the one I recommend for this is a software called play.ht. Now this one's really cool because they got permission from actual voice actors and they clone their voice using artificial intelligence. So it's very, very close sounding to a human, which I'll show you once I show you this example. So I'm going to be using play.ht for this example, but all you have to do is copy the script from your TubeMagic account. So if I go over here and hit copy script, I'm going to go over to play.ht and I could go ahead and choose a voice actor. So as you can see, I can change this voice to, William or Nolan or Micah, right? It even tells you they're American, they're British, depending on what you want, right? So I can go, let's just see how Hunter sounds over here.
Once upon a time in a magical forest, there lived a...
Or let's try Lance.
Hey, thank you for calling Sunshine Apartment.
I like Lance. I'm gonna go with Lance here. I'm gonna hit confirm. And now we have Lance doing the voiceover. So all I have to do now is paste this in here. And as you can see, there we go. And I'm gonna hit generate speech. All right, so within minutes, the entire script has a voiceover now, and you can see how it sounds here. So if we go and click on this play button.
The top 10 places to travel in Arizona, showcasing the state's natural wonders and cultural gems.
So it sounds amazing. It sounds almost like a real human, not artificial intelligence. So this is awesome. So what you can do now is, now that you have your AI voiceover for your YouTube video, all you have to do is hit export, and we're gonna choose as a single audio file. So now that you've created and downloaded the audio voiceover for your faceless AI YouTube video, it's time to create the actual visuals. All right, so in step number 4, we got to create the actual video. So there's a lot of ways that you can do this. You can use something for free, such as iMovie or CapCut, which is a free video editor. You can add in your voiceover and basically add in all the images, the videos that you'd like. Obviously, that's a manual process, so you can either do that yourself or hire that out to someone on Upwork or Fiverr.com. But what I'm going to show you is how to use AI to create the entire video for you. So for example, let's just say in your script, you say Grand Canyon. Well, this AI software is going to create a video or a picture referring to the Grand Canyon. So that way, when people are watching your video, it makes total sense. So it's super cool using AI to do this. And there's several softwares that you can do this with. The first one is invideo.io. Now this is the original version. This isn't the AI version, but as you can see, I've went ahead and created the entire video for you, as you can see right here. And when I mentioned the Grand Canyon, as you can see, it shows like a video of the Grand Canyon, as you can see. Now, the software that I want to show you today, though, I think it's a little bit easier to use, is Pictory.ai. Okay, so this is similar to InVideo, and I think the B-roll is just a lot more cleaner and it's just better quality in my opinion. But you can get a free account to get started. And as you can see, all you have to do, and I'm going to show you from the beginning here, is right here where it says script to video. You can hit proceed and you literally just paste your script in here from your TubeMagic account. Okay, so like I said, I've already done this because it takes about 10 minutes to wait for that video. So this is what it looks like right here. And the only thing you have to do is upload your voiceover. Okay, now to upload your voiceover, you're going to click on this little microphone right here and click on upload voiceover. And as you can see right here, you can go ahead and upload the audio file that you created using this software right here, play.ht. And as you can see, once it's uploaded, I can apply that to the entire video. And the cool thing is what it'll do is it'll adjust all the scenes based on the script and the voiceover. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but before it said estimated was about 11 minutes. But now that we added the custom voiceover, it now adjusted it to now 7 minutes. Okay, so super cool. All you have to do now is download the video. So I'm gonna hit download right here. And once that video is downloaded, we can get ready to upload it to YouTube. Now we have one more thing that we have to do, and we have to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. And if you're not sure what a thumbnail is, it's essentially the main thing that people see when they're searching for your video or when YouTube is showing videos on recommended or suggested, or when YouTube is suggesting videos to people on the recommended pages, the home pages, or the browse pages. So the thumbnail is actually really important. You want it to stick out and you want people to click on your video. So you can do this very easily using AI, or if you want to go ahead and create your own thumbnails, you can use a free tool like Canva. And as you can see, if I type in YouTube thumbnail, I can go and create a thumbnail myself if you're a good designer, okay? But I'll show you how to do it using AI, since that's what we've been talking about in this YouTube Faceless AI tutorial. So what we're gonna use is actually ChatGPT to create our YouTube thumbnails. And I'm simply gonna tell ChatGPT, create a YouTube thumbnail that shows the Grand Canyon, and let's see what it gives us. And as you can see, it gave me a thumbnail, but sometimes it doesn't give you what you want. So you can simply tell ChatGPT, hey, I want you to remove the YouTube logo. So for some reason it gave me this, but then I just said, hey, can you take out all the words? And as you can see, it gave me a beautiful YouTube thumbnail that I can use. Now, the cool thing is I can just simply use this, or I can download this photo. I could actually upload this to something like Canva, and I can add words if I'd like, right? So I can make it look something like this, where, you know, I can use this beautiful photo here, and then I can model some of these words, right? So if it's the top 10 places in Arizona, right, which is our example, I can go ahead and use this photo and then just type in top 10 places in Arizona. So lots you can do with a thumbnail, but the thing is, you want it to pop. You want people to click on your thumbnail and your video. That way you can get people to binge watch your videos. And of course, the more views you get, the more YouTube monetization and the more money you can make overall. Now, the final step is to simply upload and optimize your YouTube video. So once you go to your YouTube channel, very simply, you just have to hit this create button and upload the video. Now, it's going to upload the video as an unlisted video. And my favorite part is you can actually use TubeMagic to completely optimize your video, meaning you want it to show up on search terms, which is something that TubeMagic is going to help you do. So what you can do is go to optimize and then click on warp upload. And when you click on that, you're going to paste that link, right? So when you upload the video, you're gonna click that link here. It's gonna generate a title, a thumbnail, video tags, all the things that you need to be able to rank your video at the top of YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create faceless AI videos. Now, I did mention at the beginning, I want to show you the best way to monetize your channel, even if you're not YouTube monetized. And in my opinion, that's building your email list by promoting affiliate products. So for example, if you're doing something like the travel niche, right? Maybe you have an affiliate link to Expedia or an affiliate link to Airbnbs in Arizona, right? And that's one of the best ways that you can monetize your faceless AI YouTube channel. Of course, you can still monetize with the YouTube ad revenue, but if you can monetize it with some sort of an affiliate product, that's how you can make a lot more money. And that's actually how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. Now, if you take it a step further, instead of sending people directly to an affiliate link, what I like to do is capture someone's email address. That way I can then market to them every single day. So as an example, if I were creating that video on the top 10 places in Arizona, I would possibly make like a cheat sheet where they have to enter their name and email, and then I would email them that cheat sheet on the top places to travel. And then of course, once I have their email, I can then market to them every single day. So let me know if you have any questions on creating a faceless AI YouTube channel. Super excited about this new software. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and we'll see you on the next video.